Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn off influencer storefront on your Amazon shopping. We will go to turn off this mark or know how you can do that on your Amazon shopping. All you have to do, just go down here, you click here on down, then it's going to take you to the next window here and you just click here on settings. Then it's going to show for you window like this. You click here on permissions. So you go to next window here, you just waiting to open with us this window and you go down here, so you keep going and you come here to influencer storefront. You just click here on this mark or this color and you just waiting and like you see now influencers storefront it's turned off now. So that's all you have to do to turn off this mark on your Amazon shopping. Just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.